Hi, I'm Ray and this is Gardening Online and I'm in the polytunnel. It's now August and it's time to have a look at the seed review in the Grow Your Own and Kitchen Garden magazine. So let's have a look see what seeds we've got in this month's editions of the magazine. So as we say in most months, these were purchased in Tesco's and both cost £5.99, and good to see on this month, this is the September edition, that both packets have got 10 free packs of seeds inside, so looking good. So we start with Grow Your Own magazine. This has got September jobs on the plot. So now, brilliant results, even with clay soils. Plants go organic with 15 simple tips and keep that summer taste all year long. And let's have a look at what we've got on the seeds. So it's a nice early morning down the allotment, and we've had some pretty wet weather, and now we're expecting a nice little spell for a little while. So it'd be good to get some seeds in for August, and I've got a video of what seeds we can sow in August. So I'm hoping there's some seeds in here that we can actually start for August. So let's have a look. Grow Your Own magazine, and this is September 2021's edition. So let's have a look at what seeds we've got. We've got 10 packs of seeds. And the first one is being beetroot. So this is Detroit 6 rubeus. Large quality roots of supreme flavour, excellent for early and successional sowings. This can be sown from March right through to July. It can be harvested from June right through to September. So with the weather that we're having, we could probably still get another crop of beetroot in the ground. The second seed we got is cauliflower, and this is all year round. But saying all year round, this is sowing from February through to March and direct sown from March to June, and then maybe sown in October. So it could be sown now, maybe, possibly, still could be time. This is large, tight heads, sweet flavoured, eaten raw in dips and sweetened vegetable. So that's cauliflower all year round, and that's quite a standard seed that comes with the magazines. And the next one we got is lettuce, and this is Autumn King, and this is excellent for autumn sowings. So this is a good packet of seeds for autumn, and this can be sown from August, September, October and harvest March, April, May. So we've got a good packet of seeds that are to sow by June 2023. So that's good, relevant for this kind of month. We've also got salad leaves, and this is Speedy Mix. And these can be sown indoors from October right through to February. We even sowed direct from March right through to September. This is Speedy salad leaves in about 25 days during the summer. Tasty blend of textures, colours and leaf shapes. Ideal in containers or on the patio. So that's another good seed that we can sow in August. Then we've got herb parsley. This can be sown all year round, and it's one of the most popular herbs for culinary use as a garnish. Has a stronger flavour than culled varieties. Low maintenance addition to the herb garden or a windowsill. So that's handy. And the next one we've got is cherry bell, and this is a radish, and this can also be sown from March right through to September. So we are getting some crops that we can do during August, which is excellent, which is kind of what we want to say. It's got 225 seeds, and we can sow this up to June 2023. This is crisp, globular roots, mild flavour, suitable for indoor and outdoor growing. So So that's wonderful. The next packet of seeds we got is herb, and it's dill. This can be sown from April through to July and harvested from July through to September. And this is a rich aniseed flavoured foliage, easy to grow, requires very little maintenance. So we could maybe still get some dill in. The next packet we got is celery, and this is cutting celery. And I've made a video on my channel of how to grow celery. This is ideal flavouring for soups and stews. Can be grown as a cutting herb, perfect for growing on a windowsill. So this can be sown from December right through to June, and can be planted outside, directly sown outside from April, May and June. So that's ideal flavouring for soups and stews. So not so relevant for August, but this one is. And this is a purple sprouting broccoli, and this is one of the sweetest, earliest varieties, purple sprouting broccoli. Produces tasty large spears from January. So this can be sown from March, April, May, June, and harvested January, February, March the following year. So that's purple sprouting broccoli. And the last one we got for grow your own is cabbage, and this is calibos, and that's a really interesting, nice red cabbage, and it's a unique red pointed cabbage, ideal shredded raw in salads or as a steamed vegetable. Stands well in conditions under cooler winter weather. This can be sown March, April, May and harvest August, September, October. And we've got 50 seeds in this packet. So there are a few seeds that can be sown during August and Grow Your Own magazine. So let's have a look at the Kitchen Garden magazine. And these also have 10 packs of seeds. Sow them now to keep the harvest coming. So that's a good sign that they're actually telling us we can sow them now. So let's have a look at what seeds are available in here. Look on the front. Life is a bowl of cherries. Easy growing guides. Preserve those herbs. Free food from your garden. And a tour of their garden. Meet the organic garden team. So that's Kitchen Garden magazine. So let's have a look at what seeds we got for these. So the first one we got is a radish, and this is China Rose. Distinctive, slightly pungent taste, and that looks quite interesting. A traditional winter hardy variety with long, tapered roots, with attractive rosy pink skins and crisp, pure white flesh. Has a distinctive, slightly pungent taste that adds flavour to winter salads or stir fries. So that's quite interesting. Looks a bit like a parsnip, but in a radish. This can be sown July, August, harvest September, October, November, December. So that's one good seed that can be sown during August. And the next packet we've got is salad leaf, and this is corn salad fit. This is also known as lamb's lettuce. This is a vigorous variety, ideal for autumn and winter salads. Glossy green leaves with a deciduous, tender, mild, minty flavour. So these can be sown August, September, October, harvested November, December. So that's very appropriate for this time of year. Now we've got some flowers. And this is viola, and this is Symphonia mixed. These can be sown March, May, June, July, August, and flowers November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So we can get some of these in the ground, which would be really great. Delightful range of colour and self colours, like pansies, but smaller flowers. Early sowings flower the same year. So that's great to get some flowers in too. Now we've got Texel greens, and this adds to salad or stir fry vegetables. So this is a Texel green, or a really tasty salad green or stir fry vegetable. They're fast growing, very productive for cropping throughout the summer, and contains a delicious mild mustard flavour. So these can be sown March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and harvest from May right through to December. So that's looking good. We got 150 seeds in that packet. The next one we got is Mazuma, and this is an all year round, and you can harvest this all year round. This is a dark green peppery flavoured leaves that can be picked up over a long period. Shows good bolt resistance and tasty addition to salads or stir fries. I did some Mazuma in the polytunnel, and gosh, it sure did go really crazy. Next on our list is wild flowers, and this is cornfield mix, and this is a carefully selected mixture. Contains colourful annual flowers once common in cornfields. Many of these varieties are now rare and no longer growing in wild. These can be sown August, September and March, April. Flowers from May right through to October. So we can even get some of these in the ground. And this is an ideal place for my garden, as we've not got much colour at all. Not much at all, so I'm really pleased with that. The next packet seeds we've got is pak choi, and this is red choi F1, and it's attractive red-fingered leaves, adds colour to salads if picked as baby leaf, or can be cooked to a mature, adding a spicy flavour to dishes. It shows good disease resistance. These can be sown May, June, July, August, plant out July through to September, harvest July through to October. So that's some really good seeds for this time of month. The next packet we got is carrots, and these are Chantenay Red Cord 3. This is an immensely popular variety. It's a stumped root with a deep orange colour, smooth skin and solid, thick delicious flesh and small core. Now I love doing these Chantenay ones, and we quite often grow these and we just have them straight into a pot of stew, just as they are, and they are really, really tasty. And these can be sown April, May, June, July. So with the weather that we're having, we could still get some in, and maybe I might even try some of these in a polytunnel, or even in a container. That might be great. The next one we got is salad leaves. This is Claytonia, and this is a salad leaf, also known as winter purslane or miner's lettuce, as it was eaten by the gold rush miners to get their vitamin C to prevent scurvy. A very useful winter salad vegetable with a flavour similar to spinach, and can be cooked in a similar way. So these can be sown from July, August, and harvest from October right through to March. So the very appropriate for this time of month. And the last packet of seeds we got is wild rocket. These can be sown from April right through to August, and harvest from May right through to October. And it's a strong flavour that normal salad rocket with finely serrated leaves. So that's great. So all these seeds from Kitchen Garden, I think nearly every one of them was actually suited for August, September sowings. So that is really, really, really good. So that's the choice of seeds we've got with the 3 editions of Grow Your Own magazine and Kitchen Garden magazine. So I hope you find that really interesting, and it's down to you. If any of these are relevant to what you want to grow for the rest of the year, have a look and see. But I'm really, really, really pleased with some of these choices. and we can actually get some of these in the ground while we're here today. But there we go. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe and ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And also please join my Facebook group.